Hey, I'm Nate Savage, and I'm a big proponent of learning new things on the guitar through learning songs. But what happens when you don't know what song to learn? This is an issue that comes up a lot of time with students of mine, and it may even come up for you. They really want to get better at guitar, but they don't know what songs to learn. And this can be kind of a touchy topic because the song you want to learn has to be cool enough for you to be interested in it, but it has to be easy enough for you to actually be able to play it. That song was quite a hit in its day, but we're not going to learn that today. I have 12 songs for you here that I think are the best songs for beginner guitar players to learn. The criteria for these songs, I'm only going to teach the chords because I didn't want this video to be 3 hours long. The course can use no more than 4 chords, and you have to be able to use just one strumming pattern to be able to get through the course. Yellow by Coldplay, super simple, straight 8th note downstroke strumming pattern. The chords are E, G sharp minor, and F sharp major. You don't have to play these bar chords though, you can get away with just playing power chords, so it's super easy. Just E for one measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then you move to a G sharp power chord, and if you don't know a power chord shape, it's really easy. Just put your index finger on the low E string, on any fret, in this case the 4th fret, and then your 3rd finger will come up 2 frets higher and grab the A string on the 6th fret. That's a G sharp power chord. And you just play that 3 times and move quickly down to an F sharp power chord. And that's really pretty much the entire course of this song. And back again. And really, to play the rest of this song with power chords, all you need to do is throw in a B power chord for the verses, which is right here for your index finger, 2nd fret of the A string, 3rd finger, 4th fret of the D string. Stand By Me, one of the most classic tunes of all time by Ben E. King. The chords you need to know for this one are A major, F sharp minor, D major, and E major. And if you have trouble with the F sharp minor, you can just play an F sharp power chord, or you can just bar the top 3 or 4 strings on the 2nd fret and just play those for your F sharp minor chord instead of playing the whole bar chord. But this song is a great example of the quintessential strumming pattern that a lot of people think about when they think about guitar: down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. When you're learning something like this, make sure to slow things way down at the beginning and separate the challenges of the strumming hand and the fretting hand. So, for example, at first, just get that strumming pattern down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Then work on the chords by themselves. And then once you have those 2 challenges on their own good to go, then you can put them together. It'll be a lot easier for you to play through it. Wagon Wheel by Darius Rucker. Same exact chords as the last song. A, E, F sharp minor, and D. The thing with this one is the strumming pattern has a swing feel to it. So instead of your 8th note sounding like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and you need to learn to swing it. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that'll give the song the correct feel. And the strumming pattern we're using here is just a quarter note downstroke, and then 6 8th notes, 2 and 3 and 4. Love Me Do by the Beatles. Super fun song to learn, and you only need 2 chords for the chorus, a G and a C. And it has kind of the same swing feel as the last song we went over, but the main strumming pattern that we're going to use here is just a quarter note and then 2 8th notes down, up. And that's the entire strumming pattern, but you have to get that swing feel in there. Just do that over and over again. Just repeat that over and over again, and then you just switch between the chords. And one other little thing that I do to kind of make it fit the style is I hit just the bottom couple of strings for the quarter note, then all 6 strings for the 2 8th notes. Taylor Swift Love Story. The 4 chords you need to know to play this course, and pretty much the whole song too, are D major, A major, and I'm cheating there, a little bar if you want, then a B minor. If you don't want to play the full B minor, just play a B power chord, and then G major. And the strumming pattern we're using here is a straight 8th note strumming pattern. I like to use all downstrokes on this because it gets a little more aggressive, but you can use alternating down and upstrokes too. It depends which feel and sound you like. Have you ever seen The Rain by CCR? The chords you need to know for the course to this one are F major. And again, if you can't play a bar chord like that, just play the power chord, F power chord. G. C. C with a B in the bass, a little walk down here, then an A minor. So we kind of broke the rule of 4 chords here, but not really. That's just a walk down. So those are the chords, and this is another straight 8th note strumming pattern, but I do use alternating down and upstrokes here. And another thing that you want to take note of is I'm accenting the 2 and 4 of each measure just to give it a little more life and a little more shape to the strumming pattern. So instead of like a straight 8th note strumming pattern with no accents, you have 1, 2, 4. Just makes it a little more appropriate for the song and kind of follows along with what the drums are doing too. And if you want to play the little turnaround at the end of the chorus, this one, you can stay on the C chord and just play this strumming pattern. Down, up, 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 down, up. Or you can go through the changes here, like the little bass walk down. Chasing Cars by Snow Patrol. 3 chords, great sounding song. Starts off on an A, so that's the first chord that you need to know. E major, and a D major. That's it for the chorus. It's a straight 8th note, all downstroke strumming pattern, so it's really driving. It's great to work on your strumming technique. Make sure you're relaxed. Back to A. Now, if you're having trouble following along with the playing on this video, don't worry about it. Just put the playback speed down to half or even 0.25. It'll be easier to follow along to see what's going on. Bruce Springsteen, Born in the USA. You only need 2 chords to play this entire song, not just the chorus. So it's a B major, but you can use just a B power chord again too. And the strumming pattern that you use is just 1 quarter note downstroke and then 6 8th notes. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and you have 4 measures of that, and that's what the little repeat sound in the sheet music is. And then you switch to an E power chord or an E major and do the same strumming pattern, repeating that 4 times. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Hey Ho by the Lumineers. This one has a 16th note strumming pattern, but don't let that scare you. Just get this down right here. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Really nothing different than the last strumming pattern that we went over in Born in the USA. It's just 16th notes, so technically people think it's faster, but it's just like speeding up that same last strumming pattern. Just get that down first. It's about this tempo right here. And the chords you need to know are A minor, G major, and then C. And just put that strumming pattern with that. And throw some accents in there too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Van Morrison, Brown Eyed Girl, one of the classic strumming guitar songs of all time. And this is another one that uses the classic down, down, up, up, down, up. The chords you need to know to play through the course of this song are just G, C, and D major. Just do that over and over again. And again, if you need a little bit more help getting the basics of changing between chords or strumming down, check out the link below this video. And this is another really good example of how you should separate the strumming hand and the chords, the fretting hand, at first, and then put them together once you're feeling comfortable with both. Horse with No Name by America. This song actually uses the exact same strumming pattern as Born in the USA, but we have a swing feel to it. So instead of down, down, up, down, up, down, up, straight, we have down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So work on getting that feel down, and the only two chords you need to know to play this song are E minor and D6 add 9 over F sharp. That's a bit of an oddball one, but all you have to do is play your E minor and then just spread your fingers out. Same fret, second fret, but where your second finger is on the second fret of the low E string, and then your third finger is on the second fret of the G string. You can play all 6 strings for each chord. This is my #1 favorite song to teach beginners on the guitar, Knockin' on Heaven's Door by Bob Dylan. It's not too hard, it's very cool. You only need 4 chords, and the strumming pattern is pretty simple. You need G major, D major, A minor, and C major. And then the strumming pattern we're using is just a 2-beat strumming pattern, 1 E and a 2 E and a, so 2 downstrokes in a row, and then a down up. Just do that over and over again. Then put it with the chords. So let me know in the comments below, what are your favorite easy songs to play on the guitar? Together we can build a really great resource for newer guitar players who want to learn really cool songs. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.